I never thought this village would leave such a mark on me. Amadou, I have to tell you something. In a few days, I have to go back to Europe.
I knew this moment would come, but still. Let's meet later at the beach to talk about it.
Amadou, I have to leave tomorrow. My flight to Europe is already scheduled.
Promise me you'll come back one day.
I promise you.
The journey doesn't end here, Claire. Casamance will always be open to you.
This isn't a goodbye. I'll come back, and this time for a well-prepared stay.
Some encounters change a journey, and sometimes an entire life. It was an unforgettable moment.
Paris is beautiful, but something is missing for me. I might not stay here for long. I thought I was coming to discover a place, but I discovered people. Amadou, I hope you're doing well. Let me know as soon as you have some free time. That way, I can call you on WhatsApp. We can talk calmly. Amadou, I hope you're doing well. Let me know as soon as you have some free time. That way, I can call you on WhatsApp. We can talk calmly.
Claire, I'm here now, but I'm not really sure how to call via WhatsApp. Just a second. I've never tried it.
Don't worry, it's very simple. You open WhatsApp, click on my name, and at the top, you'll see a little phone icon. You tap on it and it will call me directly. See, it works. It's really simple. Now you can call me whenever you want.
Yes, we're really not that far apart anymore. Even with all this distance, I feel like you're right here with me.
My work is in Europe, but a part of my heart stayed in Africa. And today, all it takes is a call to connect the two.